Napaka-clear ng langit.
Probinsya ng Manitoba mula sa ginawang recruitment mission noong nakalipas na taon.
Oh, I love it.
Aww.
We would like to redeem our large prize, please.
Ah, Hello Kitty and Friends toys. Yay! Hello everyone! So, Thursday ngayon, April 18. Hi!
07.
+1 ngayon dito sa Calgary, pero feels like -5. Kaya ayan, naka-winter jacket pa rin. Pero maaraw, so nakakatuwa naman. At saka nagtutunaw na yung mga snow nung April 16, 2 days ago. Ayan, kita na naman yung green sa labas. So, nakaka-happy na. Malapit na yung summer din. So, makakalabas-labas na tayo. Samahan nyo kami ngayon. Ito, napaka-clear ng langit. Papunta lang kami sa Dollarama saglit kasi may batang makulit. Gusto daw ng calculator. Medyo na-addict siya sa ngayon math. Numbers. Medyo obsessed siya sa numbers. Dati ang gusto niya magbasa. But recently, nagsusulat siya, nagtatry siya, at saka dati ayaw niya ng math na yan, pero siya mag-isa, nanood siya ng mga videos sa YouTube, yung number blocks. Napaka-educational naman nga. Ang galing ng mga bata ngayon sila mismo magtitingin sa YouTube. Yung YouTube Kids naman yung pinapaano namin sa kanya Ako, may ngayon dun nung nakaraan, naghahanap kami ng tawag doon, windshield repair. Wala
dito, no?
Ayun, yung tent dun na orange.
Wala tayo dati dito, wala naman yun.
Wala. I guess pa, iba-iba talaga sila ng location.
Lumilipat sila.
Iba naman yung brand na to. Deco. Windshield. Ayun, Mas malapit sana to kung nangyari nung last na may chip yung ko. Windshield. Ayun, Andito na kami, magpa-park lang dito sa may Dollarama, sa Simons Valley. Ay, phones. Yan, Dollarama muna. Pabili nga pala ng Ziploc bag si Momsy. Wait lang, hanapin ko lang muna. Dito tayo sa kitchen aisle.
I want to buy the calculator.
Yeah, we will. Ang cute ng mga bulaklak. No, in here. Ayan, hanap na natin yung hinihingi ng batang makulit. Calculator. Oh, look for your calculator. Ito, Kian baby,
It's a green.
Oh, this one's dome.
Look at that, that's new.
I'll show it to you. Is that the one?
Look, that one is broken.
I know.
This one's new.
That one
And the
is
other
new.
is new too.
Dummy buttons.
You like it?
How do you like it?
Huh?
Yeah.
You can use it now. You can use it. You're gonna use it,
You have to pay first for this, and then you can use it.
Yeah.
But we use stuff too.
And,
Oh, I love it.
what do you say to Daddy?
Thank you, Daddy.
Ay, napagbigyan Siguro, pinapaubos na lang nila to. Bawal na kasi ito yung mga plastic Last time, bumili pa ako ng tigda-dalawa yata. Pero meron ng itong makakalikasan. Ayan lang, mas konti. Sama-sama na spoon, bread knife, and fork. Usually, hindi mo naman kasi ito ginagamit. So, cheaper pa din yun. Kaya lang, ginaget rid na nila yung plastic talaga dito. Plus, may bayad na yung mga paper bag sa KFC at saka sa... wait lang. Ito yung matanda doon kay Kian. Ang daldal kasi nito. Ayun. Super daldal. Hindi na uubusan. Ayun. Sabi ko nga, pag mag-order ka sa
Already the DQ.
DQ, yeah.
I ate it.
You finished it?
It was yummy or bad?
It was yummy. You finished it eh.
It was.
Yummy. Pag mag-order ka sa McDo and Jollibee, take out. Hindi ko daw matapos yung vlog ko.
The chocolate and the vanilla cream, it was tasty and yummy. I like it.
Good job.
Wow.
Ayun. Balik tayo. third try. Kasi akala mo, ang dal-dal eh.
Wow.
Wow.
I sing it.
Oh, because you like ice cream and you like calculator.
Look, this is just like the tablet that I use.
Mm-hmm. Okay guys, take 3. Totoo na to. So sabi ko nga pag nag-order ka ngayon sa Jollibee and McDonald's, like usually mahilig ako mag-order sa app. Automatic na china-charge ka nila for the paper bag, like 15 cents. Kaya ayun, ang dami na namin paper bag dun. Eh, tinatapon lang naman. Sayang nga eh.
Look, this one is a door.
Sa McDo pag sa drive-thru kung hindi by app ka order eh. Looks like that's it. We're gonna pay na.
Yeah.
Sa drive-thru, sinasabi ko kanina, pag mag-order naman kayo na hindi by app, tatanungin ka naman kung gusto mo ng bag or not. Otherwise, iaabot sa'yo sa tray, kukunin mo sa tray, and then ibabalik mo yung tray. Ayan. Nakaaliw dito eh. Minsan may makakita ka na mga gamit na mas mura na hindi mo expect na meron naman pala dito. Basta matyaga ka lang magtingin-tingin. Yan. Pila na. Wala silang self-checkout dito. Napansin ko din yung mga dalaraman nila dito. Walang self-checkout. Pero sa Winnipeg meron. Mas mabilis sana kasi hindi mo lang kailangan pumila dito kung busy yung mga cashier. Pila lang kami. Malapit na rin kami magbayad. Tapos, after dito, bilang ko lang si Kian ng french fries sa McDo. May batang nagkikrave.
Look at this.
Ang sarap ng tama nung araw sa mukha. May konting wind, malamig, pero kapag naglalakad ka sa may arawan, okay lang.
It did not ask
Mainit-init.
for it to open.
We'll do it at home,
Okay
Kian.
lang.
Gustong-gusto ng laruin ni Kian yung calculator. Lapit na kami. Ayan lang yung McDo. Sobrang lapit sa amin. Like 5 minutes away kung galing talaga sa apartment. Diyan naglaro si Kian dun sa last vlog ko din. Kami sa drive-thru. I-redeem lang namin. 9618.
Hi, we just like to redeem our large fries, please. 9618.
9618.
18.
Large fries.
Yes, please.
That's it?
That's everything.
Need a bag?
No, that's okay.
Okay, I'll put the second in.
Thank you.
Mommy,
Pag naka-member ka sa may app ka ng McDonald's, kapalit pala namin yung toy. Kasi nakita ko may Hello Kitty toys. Ngayon, sana meron sila. Kasi last time, pinapalit
Hello
namin,
Kitty
sabi,
toys,
wala.
Mommy?
It's for girls.
no, I just talk about that.
Yeah.
Where's Hello Kitty?
I'll show you, if there is.
We can switch it to another toy, like a Hello Kitty.
Tinanong kami kung gusto namin ng bag, pero binigay pa din. Alam ko may bayad to, pero baka binigay na lang. Hey, meron na. Hindi lang siya Hello Kitty, but still.
Mommy, my name is Hello.
That's for girls. Hello
my
Kitty and Friends toys. Yay! Nakita ko to sa 204 sa Manitoba pa na group. Sabi ko, oh, meron pala. Happy na. Ako pala yung na-happy. Ito yung fries ni Kian. Okay yan, baby.
Look, my name is Kitty.
Yun o, $5 din yun o. Pag bumibili ka sa McDo and then may app ka, nagkaka-points ka, and then pag na-reach mo yung certain level ng reward, yung itong fries is 4,000 points. Tapos, any size yun. So, ginagawa kong large. Mahilig naman kasi si Kian sa fries. Uwian na, guys. Hindi pala na to, pero naka-dress up lang siya ng, sabi ko kay Evan, Eugeo. Sabi ko, Eugeo. Ano bang pronunciation na? O, basta, ayan yung spelling. Yan na yun. Yay! I'm so happy. Kid at heart. Feeling bata. Uy, kapanahon ko to. 90s kaya to.
From McDonald's. Hello? Just one toy for me. Superman.
Superman.
Okay, here.
Superman. Oh, thank you.
Witchy.
Okay.
Hi guys, we're here. Fries so yummy. I like the sunflower. And bye-bye.
So, si Kian sabi niya. So, i-share ko lang sa inyo guys yung
There it is.
isang
My toy.
episode dun sa Omni TV. Nung March pa actually. Tapos, nakita ko yung picture, yung ginamit yung picture namin sa pagre-recruit sa Philippines ng healthcare workers. So, pakita ko lang. Sobrang ilang segundo lang niya. Pero, i-show ko after this clip.
Workers ang tinanggap ng probinsya ng Manitoba mula sa ginawang recruitment mission noong nakalipas na taon. Ilan sa kanila nakapag-umpisa ng magtrabaho sa mga ospital at naimbitahan ng maging permanent residents sa probinsya. May report si Paula Saraza.
Matapos ang mabusising assessment, isa ang kababayan sa nasa 300 healthcare workers na tinanggap ng Manitoba government sa nakalipas nitong recruitment mission sa Pilipinas noong Pebrero 2023.
Guys, ito siya. Ang cute. Ang babaw ng kaligayahan. No? Feeling bata. Gusto ko talaga i-collect lahat. Reminisce ako of my childhood Hello Kitty sa mga 90s kids dyan. No? Kaway-kaway.
I'm rolling. Here. Hold my hair.
Kulit oh.
Parking spaces. Some are closer to the doors than others, and finding that perfect spot often involves a lot of luck, good timing, or even both.
Yeah, sometimes. Now the shopping centers offer another way to guarantee a premium spot. As CTV's John Hendrick shows you tonight, it's launched a pilot project where customers pay to reserve a parking spot.
To find a great parking spot at the mall, Keith Lyochenko is willing to do a little circling. More than a little willing some days.
It's important for me, especially I have a little one right there. So it's difficult if I'm going to be all the way at the back.
Polo Park has a solution for people like Ochenko, and it doesn't involve being lucky. It's called CF Park, a new premium parking program where you can reserve a spot close to the door.
Well, some people here in Wolseley are already getting into the Halloween spirit. We drove by this particularly striking setup here, so there's a ghoulish-looking mask and some creative eyewear going on right here. But what would you make of all this if you didn't grow up with the concept of Halloween?
I'm excited about seeing a lot of kids wearing costumes and, of course, the chocolates.
Lang din pala yung videos na credit sa in-screen recording ko lang. CTV News Manitoba. Para may remembrance lang ako. Nakakalkal ko lang sa baul. Back in 2014, nung kakadating ko lang dito, yun yung Manitoba Start na tinatawag. Pagdating mo sa Manitoba is parang may 2 weeks ka in person na attend na parang orientation baga. About culture, lahat. Tuturuan ka din na gumawa ng resume and all that. Tapos, dumating, mag-October pang Halloween. And then, dumating sila na nag-interview sila. Kita nyo naman, batang-bata pa. Fresh pa. Hindi pa haggard. Tapos, yung isang video doon is, way back nung kakapanganak ko lang. And then, nandun sa Polo Park yon sa may parking. And then, na-interview din ako. Sumakay pa sila dun sa kotse ko. Dinig naman yung iyak ni Kian kasi naka-baby basket pa siya. And then, sakto yun, palabas ako ng Polo Park. Nakita nila ako. In-interview nila ako. So, ayun. Wala lang, mema lang, may ma-share lang. So, salamat sa panonood. Sana patuloy nyo pa rin panoorin yung mga vlogs namin. And sa mga di pa nakaka-subscribe, baka naman makikisubscribe dyan para makatulong sa small channel namin. And see you on our next one. See you, no? Halika, bye ka na. See you on the next one.